हेलो एंड वेलकम टू योर वेरी फेवरेट शो ब्यूटी पार्लर। मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट नैना ब्लैक
एंड आई एम योर ब्यूटिशियन गुलाली अफरीदी।
आप देख रहे हैं बाईपास टीवी, पाकिस्तान का पहला शॉपिंग चैनल। गुलाली, आज हम एक बहुत मजेदार चीज लेकर आए हैं आपके पास।
आई एम एक्साइटेड।
सो बेसिकली हमने बहुत सारे मेकअप देखे हैं और बहुत सारे मेकअप जो है स्टाइल्स वो सिखाए भी हैं लोगों को और खुद भी करते हैं यूजुअली। बट हमारी जो टीनेज गर्ल्स हैं, they are very much into colorful things.
Yeah.
And including me, I'm not teenager, but I love to play with colors. And हमें बहुत fascinate करते हैं colorful eyeliners and colorful eyeshadows, or to make it a little pop and a little different than the normal makeup.
Yeah.
So can you teach us something for that look specifically, ताकि हमारी वो जो teenage बच्चियां हैं, जो हमारी young school college की students हैं, जो इस चीज को एक्सपेरिमेंट करना चाहती हैं, वो भी कुछ सीख सकें। और स्पेशली व्हेन वी आर अप्लाइंग कलरफुल आईलाइनर्स, तो उसके साथ हमारे किस कलर टोन में लिपस्टिक्स जा सकती हैं और किस कलर टोन के आई शेडोज जाने चाहिए। ये सारी चीजें, क्योंकि आप पूरा फेस एक जैसे कलर बहुत ऑफ हो जाता है, तो वी नीड टू पुट सम कलर समवेयर ऑन आवर फेस जो पॉप अप भी करे और वो
कलर ब्रेक भी करे।
एग्जैक्टली।
No, 100%. You know, creative makeup is just so exciting and so much fun to do. Especially eyeliners, colorful eyeliners are my favorite. They're so fun to work with also.
Yes.
And especially for girls like to do it वैसे भी in everyday as well. Sometimes they like using blue liners or green liners. They like that pop of color. And even for Halloween, we love those. Or we like those for any other occasion, for nice parties or something.
And Halloween is really coming.
Halloween is really around the corner, so for everybody we should really teach them.
I am excited for this one. Let's start
that. Okay, so for any eye makeup, I like to first go in with the eye makeup and then do the rest of the face.
Okay.
So I'm going to start off with a nice eyeshadow first and then apply the liners because we want to do colorful eyeliners. So I have this really cool kit by Daifi. It's their 3D eyeshadow palette which we are going to use for this look. So I'm just going to unbox this for you guys. You see, बड़े amazing से colors हैं इसके अंदर. I'll just show you guys. This is their professional eyeshadow palette. You guys can see the really cool eyeshadow kit. I'll open this up. This is called the Flawless. Yeah, and the best part is it also has glitter in them.
Yeah.
So if you want glittery eyeshadows, आपके पास वो भी available है. आपको matte eyeshadows चाहिए, इसमें वो भी है. And we have colorful range as well. Usually eyeshadow palettes don't have a colorful range, you know. So this one has from nudes to colorful all.
Neon colors as well.
Neon colors हैं. So if you're looking for something to play around with your makeup, then this is the right eyeshadow palette for you guys. इसमें glitters भी आपको colorful मिल जाएंगे. इसमें colorful eyeshadows ही मिल रहे हैं. Matte and shiny, all sort of colors are in this. So अगर आपको सिर्फ matte पसंद है, आप matte पे जा सकते हैं. अगर आपको glittery पसंद है, आप glitters के साथ खेल सकते हो. या अगर आपको थोड़ा सा pigment अपना shiny पसंद है, then you're sorted in this one palette. Love that. And it comes with a brush as well. ये अपने brush के साथ आता है. So now I'm going to apply it for Dua.
So guys, this beautiful palette is by Daifi 3D and इसका QR code और इसका ID आपकी स्क्रीन पे फ्लैश कर रहा है. What you have to do is बाईपास की ऐप को आप डाउनलोड कीजिए, इस QR कोड को स्कैन करके या फिर इस प्रोडक्ट ID को सर्च इंजन में डाल के आप इसको सर्च कर सकते हैं प्रोडक्ट को और ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. एग्जैक्टली यही प्रोडक्ट आपके घर पे आपको मौसूल हो जाएगी. प्राइसेस मे वेरी फ्रॉम सिटी टू सिटी एंड दिस ब्यूटिफुल पैलेट which have everything inside, a lot of colors, especially for young girls.
Yeah. And it's so pigmented, by the way, like one swipe and it's so pigmented and I love it.
It's really nice. Guys.
Literally.
Nice.
More than brushes, I like to use my finger on the socket, especially for a nice pigmented effect. उसमें pigment भी आपकी ज़्यादा active हो जाती है. So I'm just applying this all over her lid. And love that. I've used a nice baby pink eyeshadow for her socket. Now I'm going to proceed towards this really cool eyeliner. By the way, this is by Color Studio और इसकी एक बहुत wide range है. इसमें आपको blue, green, white, black, whatever colors you want, you can buy it. You can easily download our Bypass app और उसमें आपके पास सारी colors की range आपके सामने खुद ही आ जाएगी. And you can choose and pick your favorite colors and apply it for your eyes.
You know, I've been finding good pigmented color eyeliners, and I had to like order it from somewhere else. And obviously it took a lot of time Pakistan aate and I did not know that they were about to introduce their whole
collection.
eyeliner,
yeah, true that. This is a whole range. आपको एक liner का उसकी tip से ही पता चल जाता है. If the tip is pointy and nice, तो आपका liner भी easy हो जाएगा. If you're not a professional, then you know it gets really hard to apply eyeliners. But अगर आपकी tip अच्छी है और smooth और थोड़ी सी sharp सी है, then it's easy for you to achieve that wing liner, that liner look that we all want. So I'm first going to go for a black liner. I will create a base. सबसे पहले आप अपना brush रखोगे अपने lash bed पे. To make it easy for you guys, just leave it there and slide it towards the end of your eye. एक दफ़ा आपने एक straight line create कर ली, उसके बाद आप wing बनाओगे. First is to achieve a straight line. I will do the same always अपनी lid को थोड़ा सा lift करके ताकि अगर कोई extra skin अंदर रह गई है और if you're squinting too hard तो वो skin ना रह जाए अंदर. So I'm just going to color. I'm going to leave the I love the wand for this. You can see it for yourself कितना आसान है इसको use करना. I'm just going to leave it here. एक line मैंने stretch out कर ली है. And now I will guide you guys with the wing liner we all want.
So with this, I'm going to tell my audience that ये liners हैं by Color Studio. आपके screens पे इनका QR code और इसका ID flash कर रहा है. You have to download Bypass की app. आप इस QR कोड को स्कैन करके या इस ID को सर्च इंजन में डाल के इस प्रोडक्ट को फाइंड करें, इसको ऑर्डर करें. प्राइसेस मे वेरी फ्रॉम सिटी टू सिटी, बट आपको एग्जैक्टली ये प्रोडक्ट आपके घर पे मिल जाएगा. And I am loving the.
Always when you're applying a liner, don't neglect the teardrop area. इसको भी properly cover करें, वरना मुझसे क्या होता है कि आपके बाकी लिड पे लाइनर होता है और टीयर ड्रॉप की तरह वो खाली एक गैप होता है. सो एंड उसमें फिर आपकी आंखें जो हैं भरी भी नहीं लगती हैं. सो वंस यू हैव अचीव्ड दैट, आप अपना लाइनर लेंगे, यू विल रेस्ट इट ऑन द लैश बेड एंड जस्ट ईजली विंग आप ऊपर की तरफ खींच लोगे. That's how you will get that look. Here we go. This is a nice long wing liner that we've achieved for her.
So we're going till Gulali is applying the same eyeliner on the second eye. हम एक छोटी सी ब्रेक से वापस आते हैं. वेलकम बैक टू ब्यूटी पार्लर. और हमारी गुलाली जो है उन्होंने बहुत ही खूबसूरत एक विंग आईलाइनर लुक क्रिएट कर ली है. अब हम इनसे पूछने जा रहे हैं कि इसमें हम कलर कैसे इन्फ्यूज करेंगे.
Okay, I'm going to teach you guys that. So first is I'm going to switch my liner to the green color. This is also by Color Studio. We have a wide range of colors. आप हमारे Bypass app पे भी इसको purchase कर सकते हैं. आपके पास सारे colors automatically आ जाएंगे. So I'm going to use a green color. So let's open this up. ये भी इसकी भी टिप बहुत fine है. So don't worry about that. I'm just going to apply it the same way. आपने अपनी lid को lift किया. You're going to lift it and then rest it on the lash bed. But इसको आप अपने लैश बेड पर रेस्ट नहीं करेंगे बट ऑन टॉप ऑफ योर ब्लैक लाइनर, ताकि वो बहुत ग्रीन भी ना हो और ब्लैक जो है उसका वो कट भी करेगा कलर को. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू wing this out then with the same way I did for black.
And it is popping up so nicely.
So well, I know
and
black really helps it to pop, you know. एक color आ जाता है dark.
And I love, I don't know why, but I love colorful eyeliners or colorful mascaras as well.
Oh, you love them. Nice.
I love them.
So I'm just popping this color there for her. Okay. Once you fill that, आप इसको अपने black को लेके भी एक smooth line on top of it भी create कर सकते हो. So in case the green didn't go smooth, go down, put your eyes down. Then you can create basically
you can
a
redo
smooth
the
line.
black
Yeah,
line.
you can
again
redo
because-
your errors, you know. So that is one way to do it. And make sure कि आप फौरन अपनी आंखें जल्दी जल्दी ना खोलें क्योंकि
It's
they're wet. So they also travel then, you know, वो ऊपर भी लग जाते हैं, ऊपर एक smooth effect नहीं आता. So okay, so we've done
And the
that.
color pigment is so good.
It's very pigmented. It's
Like-
highly pigmented. You guys can see कि वो कितना प्यारा लग रहा है. एक green का pop color आ गया है. There's a black. Because
there's a
of
pink
black
and
जो
it's-
है, you know, वो एक line भी एक वो बन गई है.
It's giving that thick eyelash illusion
Yeah,
as well.
it is. It is. And a lot of girls like such colorful, playful look for their makeup,
I
you know.
love it.
Yeah, same. I love it too. You know, there's like one. You can even do white liner instead of the green one if you like
Yeah.
that, or yellow ones. You know, whatever colors are your favorite, you can you know, apply those. So this is one way. Now I'm going to do something for the skin.
Okay.
I'm going to you know, clear out her skin. एक one tone पे लेकर आएंगे ताकि ये भी अजीब ना लगे, you know, because it's so colorful.
Create the whole look. Oh
Agreed,
God, yes.
agreed. So I'm going to use Sweet Face का हमापा foundation है, which is a real base and it is oil free. This is our amazing base that we're going to apply. It is SPF 15, by the way, guys. So you are also protecting yourself from any skin
So this
barriers, you know.
foundation have sunblock as well infused in it.
Yep.
So it's not going to hurt anyone's skin.
100%.
In
मैं
fact,
आपको भी
it's
इसकी bottle
going
दिखाती
to
हूँ. Such a cool
save-
bottle it has. It is oil-free liquid foundation and it's really good. It covers all your imperfections and it's really nice.
And it's a huge vial, by the way.
Yeah, it is. It is.
I mean, the quantity is so good.
It will not only protect you from sunlight but also help you achieve that
Radiant,
skin. Yep.
even
This
tone
is-
skin.
I'm going to apply a little amount of it on her skin. थोड़ा सा skin bright भी हो जाए इनकी. Okay. So I'm just going to blend this out on her skin.
तब तक हम अपनी ऑडियंस को बता देते हैं कि ये फाउंडेशन विच इज़ इन्फ्यूज्ड विद सनब्लॉक 50 SPF 50, इसका QR कोड और इसका ID आपकी स्क्रीन्स पे फ्लैश हो रहा है. आपको बाईपास की ऐप डाउनलोड करनी है. आप QR कोड को स्कैन करके इस प्रोडक्ट को सर्च कर सकते हैं या फिर इस प्रोडक्ट के ID के थ्रू आप इसको सर्च करके ऑर्डर करें. प्राइसेस में वेरी फ्रॉम सिटी टू सिटी बट आपको सेम प्रोडक्ट घर पे मिलेगा एंड यू कैन सी द रिजल्ट्स. And this product is by Sweet Face Cosmetics and this is amazing.
Yeah, I love this.
Like literally anything which is infused with sunblock is going to protect your skin, not hurt your skin.
True that. It will also protect your skin. It will make you look pretty. It's doing all of it all together, you know. So I think it's a win-win situation for anybody who is applying it. I'm going to thoroughly blend it out all over her skin. You can see बहुत आराम से blend हो रहा है.
It's not giving that
It's not
chalky
separating.
or
No, not at all. Separate भी नहीं हो रहा है, फट नहीं रहा है. हम जितना भी उसको properly blend कर रहे हैं, it's helping us in that way only, you know. I'm going to apply some under the eye also. Look at.
And it gave a very even
Tone, yeah,
glowy.
it does. That's the beauty of it. Look up. And she's a young girl, so I don't even wanna overdo it. with
Yeah, I
using
mean, this is something to create that.
a lot. Yeah, just an
poppy eye
illusion.
color.
Yeah, true. मैं सिर्फ एक clean girl look achieve करना चाह रही हूँ for now. 'Cause
Yeah.
that's the way for it. Going to apply some on her neck also. And a little bit on her under eye. ताकि वो एक fresh सी look आ जाए
Yeah.
इनकी.
And the coverage is also not bad.
Not at all. It's really good.
It's good.
It's really
Like
good.
अगर इतनी सी product में आपको इतनी अच्छी coverage मिल रही है, तो if you
So
use it like
true.
proper as a foundation,
So you
so
can
it,
see
you
what
can
it'll do.
achieve the real all fully coverage वाला look.
Effect,
right?
yeah. अभी तो हम बहुत कम use कर रहे हैं because इनको इतनी need भी नहीं है. But if you feel like you want to go full out with this foundation, you can. It's also very buildable, you know.
That
ऐसा
I
नहीं
can
है
see
कि
actually,
आपने
हाँ.
एक ही दफा में that's that. No, you can even build it according to your need or to because of your pigmentation. You can.
Yeah, because in some areas you have pigmentation more.
Yeah,
areas
then
are
some
clear.
you don't.
So you just build उन areas पे जहाँ पे आपको ज़रूरत है. You don't have to like apply
Go all over your
yeah.
face. Do that. Going to put some on the ear as well. Always make sure.
So this product is by Sweet Face Cosmetics और ये प्रोडक्ट जो है इसका QR कोड और ID हम बता चुके हैं, आपकी स्क्रीन पे फ्लैश हो रहा है. आपको बाईपास की ऐप डाउनलोड करके इसको QR कोड को स्कैन करके या फिर इस ID के थ्रू आप इसको सर्च करके मंगवा सकते हैं, ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. आपको यही प्रोडक्ट आपके घर पे मिलेगी. Yes, prices may vary from city to city, but that doesn't even matter if you're getting this product. गुलाली, जब तक आप डिसाइड करें कि हम नेक्स्ट क्या कर रहे हैं, एक छोटी सी ब्रेक से वापस आते हैं. स्टे ट्यून्ड.
Sure.
वेलकम बैक टू ब्यूटी पार्लर. और हम एक बहुत ही मज़ेदार सी फ्लॉलेस स्किन अचीव कर चुके हैं. एक बहुत खूबसूरत वाइब्रेंट सा पॉपी आई शेडो लगा के, आई लाइनर्स पुट करके हमें एक बड़ा मज़ेदार सा वाइब्रेंट सा लुक उसका भी क्रिएट कर लिया है. जब हम ब्रेक पे थे तो हमने थोड़ा ब्लश ऑन भी लगा दिया है, बिकॉज दिस लुक स्पेसिफिकली इज़ फॉर द यंग गर्ल्स हु आर in their schools or colleges or universities, जो ये बड़ों वाला मेकअप नहीं करना चाहते हैं. They want something vibrant,
Fun,
and
cute
fun
look.
and excitement in their makeup as well. So what is next now, Gulab?
So I feel like I really wanna define her brows because वो एक look पूरा आ चुका है eyes पे, face पे, everywhere. We just need some nice brows now for her. So I have a really nice brow definer by Sweet Face, and it's really nice. And it's like a 2-in-1 kind of situation. It's an eyebrow pencil with a little brush which comes with this.
Spoolie kind
Yep.
of a
इसके साथ
brush.
spoolie भी दी हुई है. So I'm going to brush off any excess product that is now in the brows on her hair. जब हम लोग फाउंडेशन करते हैं बहुत दफ़ा हमारी जो आईब्रोज होती हैं वो वाइट हो जाती हैं.
Eyelashes भी.
Eyelashes, eyebrows, you know, so both. So I'm just going to first remove all the excess product that is on the brows and
Yeah.
then color it. So सबसे पहले अपनी जो आपके strands अपने आपके बालों की जिस तरफ शेप जा रही है, you're going to go towards that, brush it towards that side. And then now I'll open the other side of it, which is the pencil.
I love the brown color.
Yeah, I love it too. It's pretty brown and nice. It's sharp as well. And I'm just going to color all the bald patches जो इनकी eyebrows में हैं.
So
Although
I
she has
am
good
going to
brows.
tell this to my audience once again कि ये प्रोडक्ट भी स्वीट फेस की तरफ से है. इसका भी QR कोड और ID आपकी स्क्रीन पे फ्लैश हो रहा है. What you have to do is कि आप बाईपास की ऐप को डाउनलोड करेंगे, इस QR कोड को स्कैन करके या फिर इस प्रोडक्ट के ID के थ्रू आप इसको सर्च करें, इसको ऑर्डर करें और आपको एग्जैक्टली यही प्रोडक्ट आपके घर पे मिलेगा. And look at the finish of this.
The best part about this brow pencil is कि ये बहुत dark नहीं है.
Yeah.
So
it's not black, it's obviously
no,
brown.
it's not black, it's brown and it's just perfect for that, you know. Looks very nice.
Very nice.
So I love brown pencils, you know, I can never use a dark pencil for myself also. Especially if you're a light-headed girl, then you need a brow pencil which is lighter and not too dark. वरना बहुत dark brows हो जाती हैं and you tend to look very manly and very harsh. So it's always good to not do that. So we just applied this now because हमारी brows और जहाँ बाल होते हैं वो after foundation जो है वो white wash हो जाता है. So even the same case with the lashes. So the lashes are also looking a little powdery and a little, you know,
washed.
Yeah. So we want to also get rid of that. I have a really cool mascara. This one is by Gorgeous Beauty and I love the ombre effect.
Pink
So
and
cool.
gold, yes.
This is waterproof, so for all the little girls who want waterproof mascaras, this is an amazing product.
Not just for the little girls, I would say. Like I've been into sports.
Yeah.
I'm still into fitness. So whenever I go to gym and work out, I love to put some makeup. So I always apply waterproof mascaras.
Yeah, and even for like pool parties.
Yeah, or
whatever,
swimming and whatever
we
you're
need
going to
this.
do, आप उसके accordingly अपना makeup भी adjust कर सकते हैं. Like if you know कि you're going to sweat or you know you're going to going into the water, you're going towards the beach, तो आप अपना mascara आप normal वाला लगाएंगे तो what it
Of course,
obviously
it
it's
will
going to
melt
bleed.
down, yeah.
But अगर waterproof आप apply करते हैं तो it will stay on your lashes until unless आप उसको cleanse करके नहीं उतार लेते.
True,
So I guess
true that.
कि आप
oil से भी remove कर सकते
yeah,
हो.
but this is something जो it's for everyone.
Yeah, it is for everyone, no doubt. But mostly we can still, you know, manage a regular mascara, but little girls, it's harder for them. So it's always nicer to invest in a waterproof mascara for them. So let's color her lashes now. I love the pump. Oh my god. Look at that. So nice and dark. So I'm just going to lift her lashes.
This product is by Brands Hub और इसका QR कोड और इसका ID जो है वो भी आपकी स्क्रीन पे फ्लैश हो रहा है इस वक्त. आपको बाईपास की ऐप डाउनलोड करनी है, QR कोड स्कैन करके या फिर इस ID के थ्रू आप इस प्रोडक्ट को सर्च करके ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. आपको यही प्रोडक्ट एग्जैक्टली आपके घर पे मिलेगा एंड look at the result. It's
I love it.
Marvelous. I love it.
It's really giving a voluminous effect to her lashes and we love
It's
that.
building up. It's giving that heavy lashes.
Yeah, it is. You don't need falsies.
No,
Mostly
no.
with
After
liners
that,
and things, you know, you need falsies. But this look mein we don't because our mascara is like really cool and very voluminous. You know, it's giving
Yes.
that voluminous effect to it. Love it. You can see the look of the lashes by it only.
This is looking really, really good and really fresh and yet playful
True that.
and vibrant.
Looks really nice and you know aankhein inki properly khul gayi hain. So that's one thing you can tell by a good mascara.
True.
If it's really working out for you, then you know that it's really doing that to your eyes once you get that depth in your eyes.
So Gulali, what is after this?
What do you think is missing here now?
Lipstick!
Of course. But for lipstick, I don't want to use like any color or very colorful color.
Okay.
I would like to use a nice nude brown color. I'm using this matte lipstick by Swiss Miss. Swiss Miss lipsticks are one of my favorites क्योंकि ये एक तो फैलती नहीं है, they don't budge और you know melt नहीं होती हैं. They're very smooth. इनकी जो application होती है बहुत easy होती है. So we have this matte lipstick by Swiss Miss. this is what it looks like. Very pretty. A
I
very
like
pretty
the stick
color.
as well. So
Yeah, it's a
classy.
very pretty color. So let's apply this for Dua. Please stretch your lips. Stretch.
Any girl, a very cute baby, like you know that
Effect.
fresh
Yeah. Yeah.
look. I love
And
it.
जब आप इतने colors use करते हो, so it's always nicer to use something which is not
Nude,
too
yes.
colorful. Yeah.
So either you can keep your eyes nude and pop up your lips with a darker color, or you can do vice versa.
True.
Because अगर आप दोनों ही बहुत
आप
bold
इस
कर
type
लेंगे
की
तो it's
lipstick
going to
smoky eyes के साथ with anything which is too overpowering on your eyes. Open your mouth. Yeah. You can use that as well for it.
Yeah. And I love the brown as well. It's
Yeah,
really
it's a
nice
really cool brown. It's a very nice brownish color. It's
I
not
have to
too
tell this
much.
to our audience because this is it's such a beautiful color that we need to tell this to our audience that this lipstick is by Swiss Miss, and I love their lipsticks. You also can buy the same lipsticks by our app. आपकी स्क्रीन पे इस वक्त इसका QR कोड और ID फ्लैश कर रहा है. आपको बाईपास की ऐप डाउनलोड करके इस QR कोड को वहाँ पे स्कैन करना है, या फिर इस प्रोडक्ट की ID के थ्रू आप इस प्रोडक्ट को सर्च करके ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. प्राइसेस मे वेरी फ्रॉम सिटी टू सिटी, बट यही सेम प्रोडक्ट आपके घर पे आपको मिलेगा, एंड यू कैन सी द होल लुक. It is beautiful. It's
Yeah,
so
it looks
fresh,
super cool.
and it's actually for
The lips are
young-
giving Kim Kardashian.
Yeah, it's
like
actually
such a
giving
nice
that
nudie effect to her lips.
cute, young girly,
Yeah, it is.
vibe,
It's
and
giving
I
a very
love-
pretty nudie effect to her eyes. I love brown and nudie lipsticks.
Yeah,
They
me
just
too.
look perfect.
Me too.
They are not overpowering. They look just perfect for you, for your look. If you're going for any intensive look, then nude is the answer. Always remember that.
True. And Gulali, I think we have learned a lot in this episode specifically because इसमें सिर्फ ये नहीं था कि how we are prepping our skin.
Yeah.
Because normal makeup, eventually we know, we have seen a lot of times that happening, and आप ट्राई करके उसको किसी ने, बट दीज थिंग्स जो हमने आज आपसे सीखी हैं, लाइक कलरफुल आईलाइनर को आप ब्लैक के साथ कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं, और अगर आप आईलाइनर कलरफुल अप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो उसके साथ आपका आई शेडो किस कलर में होना चाहिए, कौन सी टोन्स यूज होनी चाहिए.
मेक श्योर इट्स नॉट टू डार्क कि आपका आईलाइनर ना दिखे.
हाँ, वो फिर
इट हैज टू पॉप.
यस, एंड देन आपकी कौन से आई शेड्स या आई लाइनर्स के साथ किस तरह की लिपस्टिक होनी चाहिए है. ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स आई थिंक वी ऑल should know who are going, everyone is into makeup.
100%.
Everyone is. We all should know these things. Thank you so much,
Thank
Gulali.
you.
And we are going to come back to you with some new questions, with some new problems, और हम आपको दोबारा जल्दी तंग करेंगे. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय. हम आपसे मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में.